Namaskaram. We are with CA Harinath Reddy, and finally we are here to celebrate his convocation along with his parents. So we are first collecting the convocation kit, and this is exactly how it goes. So it starts with I think, first signature as chartered accountant. Hari can actually flaunt it. Yeah. The certificate of membership is directly here. Congrats, Hari. And this is a member's identity card. This is like CBA. You want to walk into Big Four, you show this card. You want to get into PSU, you show this. You want to get into startups, this one card will give you access to everywhere. Okay, this is that kind of card. Done. Thank you. So I think he has got some 3 food coupons and 1 gown coupon. And let's explore the kit first. Yeah. I think this is a bag which says ICAI, and you're supposed to be the I in ICAI. Okay. One more I will be me. Okay. So number one, Hari. I think I want you. I'll hold it. You take things out. Yeah. So what is the first thing you have? This is your necktie and pocket square. Okay. So open it. Oh, nice.
This necktie.
Hmm.
So this is pocket square,
Yes.
and this is what is it?
For this woman, I guess.
Um,
Yeah. Let us scarf. So I think this is the tie which has the ICI logo. Probably once your suit is ready, we'll have it. But otherwise, this is exactly how it is going to go. And Harry does not have a pocket, so
I can't take it.
so that's the problem with going with modern brands where you don't have pockets. Anyways, so this is good. Liked it? Yes. Hmm. So now keep this inside. Let's keep them inside.
A pen,
Yes.
ICAI.
Okay, that's nice. CA and ICA logos together. Pen. Fantastic. Good.
These are all.
So this is the pen. This is the pen. Hmm.
This is a keychain. No, it's a keychain.
So this is the kitchen. Yes. Hmm.
The box.
Open.
No. Yeah.
Yeah. Finally, this has the membership pin.
This is the pin for.
I think I wanna do this for you. So ideally, pockets would have been great, but then yeah, I can adjust it. So Hari is now officially a member of ICA. This is the official membership. And what else you have got? Keep the certificate also inside. This one.
This file.
Hmm. So what does it say?
So welcome to ICI.
Okay.
Now this is
Hmm.
to keep
Oh,
the
that's
certificate.
nice. So this is where you can actually keep the certificate. Uh, don't worry about it. That's okay. So, huh. So apart from this, let's show what you got. Okay. He has got a letter from the president of ICI, and a lot of people want this sticker. And this is the oath. And finally, this has got what are the prospects of chartered accountants in nation building. I think, yeah. So you have everything, all the ethics and all the relevant clauses. Yes. So finally, your whole kit is here. Liked it, Harry?
Yes, sir, very much.
Okay, so keep them back. So this is the file, I guess. The front view and